Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Icino. So I didn't do a video yesterday, but we came up, reacted right near our 54.25, poking through it, but kept closing below it, coming back to rotation zone, and then big launch up. So what we're going to do now is update to the new levels, but we're also going to shift, because this is a corrective pattern. We're going to shift to this low, starting it. And you notice we went straight through the 55.51 level, but we keep reacting near, and this gives us areas to react to. 56.14, it got up to 56.47. So this was an area to watch for and then take action with. That's the point of these levels. So should have taken action with these levels, and now those are done from the reverse scan box. So we can remove them and look at our bigger levels. I've already updated our GAN retracement levels. Key support 55.63, we dipped below that, but now it's above it. If we get below that, 54.78 to 5500 is next little key cluster. Actually, that's incorrect. Sorry about that. I have to update this one too. 54.80 is the next key level. Below that, I'd watch as this rotation zone rises into that area. So to the upside now, we've just reinforced this 57.03, 57.01 to 57.03. That's your next major level because it's a GAN cluster, and then 57.56. Above there, the next level is 59.19. Let's switch over to that daily chart. Daily chart. Here we go. So we sort of drifted sideways with a slight upward bias, caught on the rising 8, which you've heard us talk about many times, and that was the launch pad for the next move higher. Right now, based off the daily chart, I'd say your key area of support, you see the rising 8, and that's with this prior resistance area going back all the way to the beginning of April. So we're looking at about 53.60 as your key area of support based off the daily. So if we were to have a big reversal, then that's the area we'd be watching for. Switching over to Ethereum, let me get to the 4-hour chart. There's the 4-hour chart. We keep poking up into this area, but we can't even get to this cluster area. More and more weakness coming into Ethereum, especially with the Bitcoin moving higher substantially. So we have a pretty big divergence between the two. Watch for a close above about 177.50. If we get a close, not just a move, but a key close in the 4-hour, then start watching for the 180, then the 182.50 levels. Support now coming in 169. If we drop below that on a closing basis, you can watch for the 165 and 164 areas. Switching over to the daily chart, because it's still caught in this area, you see it's holding right at this 8 EMA, but there's lots of selling pressure coming in above the 177 area. 167 is a key support with the rising rotation zone. So if we were to fall below that, I'd really be watching for that 164.60 area, and below that, if this was to collapse, 156.93. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.